We're going to take a look now at arithmetic sequences and series. First of all, looking at arithmetic sequences. An example of arithmetic sequence would be something like 7, 12, 17, 22, 27, and so forth. Or it may be finite like this, or maybe infinite like that. When you have an arithmetic sequence or series, you are adding the same amount to get to the next term of the sequence or series. So notice on this one, to go from 7 to 12, or 12 to 17, 17 to 22, and so forth, you're adding 5. So in this case, we say that the common difference, which we'll designate, say, as D, is 5. Now, the common difference could be positive or it could be negative. Now, as far as the formula for the nth term, of an arithmetic sequence, we have that a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. A sub n is the nth term, a sub 1 is the first term, and d is the common difference. So let's write, for example, a formula for the nth term of the sequence. All right, so the first example, let's just look at what we did. The 7, 12, 17, 22, 27, so forth. All right, so we have that a sub n is a sub 1, the first term is 7, plus n minus 1 times the common difference, which is 5. Now we can go ahead and simplify that a little bit. So I got 7 plus, assuming the 5, I got 5n minus 5, so I get 5n plus 2. So a sub n is 5n plus 2. So another one. So I have 8, 5, 2, negative 1, negative 4, so there's a pattern there. A sub n equals a sub 1, which is 8, plus n minus 1 times the common difference. What is the common difference here? It's negative 3. Notice it is negative. It's decreasing, so negative 3. That's how you can find the common difference, is take the difference of a term with its preceding one, so 5 minus 8 or 2 minus 5 and so forth. All right, so simplifying, I got 8 minus 3n plus 3, or that is a sub n is minus 3n plus 11. Okay, let's look at one going the other way around here. Let's go ahead and find the first 5 terms. That you're given a sub n equals 7 plus n minus 1 times negative 2. Now this is in that format, so you can see right away that a sub 1 is 7 and the common difference is negative 2. All right, so you got 7. In the next one, subtract 2, 5, 3, 1, and negative 1. That's it. Now what if I have a sub n equals 0.5n plus 4? This is in that format where it's been simplified. So as a result, the first term is not 4, okay? So basically, you have to figure out like a function. In other words, if a sub n is this, what is a sub 1? We'll plug 1 in for n. So a sub 1 would be 0.5 times 1 plus 4, which would be 4.5, 4.5. A sub 2 would be 0.5 times 2 plus 4, which would be 5. So you can see, the 0.5 was by the n is the common difference. The common difference is 0.5. So we have 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, and 6.5. Let's find the missing term. So we have that b is negative 2, a sub 7 is 14, a sub 1 is what? So it's basically, plugging in the formula and solving for the unknown. This is the basic format, a sub n plus equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. You can see that n in this case is 7. Okay, so we got a sub 7 equals a sub 1 plus 7 minus 1 times d. But a sub 7 is 14. A sub 1 we don't know. 7 minus 1, 6. The common difference is negative 2. So 14 is a sub 1 minus 12, and so a sub 1 is 26.